Imagine, imagine losing your saving overnight because of a unexpected accident or medical emergencies. Scary, right? That's why insurance is a must in today's world. But is it really worth it? And how can it protect you and your family? Let's find out. Stay till the end because I will reveal the number one mistake more Americans make when buying insurance. Why insurance is important? Insurance acts as a safety net during unexpected situations like accident, medical emergencies, or lawsuits. Without it, you could end up paying thousands of dollars. Number two, peace of mind. Knowing that you are covered gives your mental peace, so you don't have to worry about expected financial burdens. Number three, mandatory by law. Some types of insurance like car insurance are legally required in the USA. Not having it can lead to heavy fines. Number four, helps you save money in the long run. Many people think insurance is an extra cost, but in reality, it saves you from spending a fortune in case of an emergency. Number five, supports your loved ones. Life insurance ensures your family gets financial support if something happens to you. A single hospital visit in the USA can cost thousands of dollars. Without health insurance, you may struggle to pay for medical treatment. Number two, risks of losing your assets. Imagine getting into a car accident and having to pay for all damage out of pocket. Car insurance protects you from financial ruins. Third, no financial support for your family. Without life insurance, your family may face financial difficulties if something happens to you. Number four, expected legal expenses. A lawsuit can drain your bank account. Liability insurance protects you from such risks. Number five, loss of home and property. Home insurance helps cover damages from natural disasters, theft or fire. Without it, you may lose everything. How to choose the right insurance? Understand your needs, health, life, car, home, etc. Compare different policies and providers. Read the term carefully, hidden cost and exclusion. Choose a plan that fits your budget. Ask for expert advice if needed. So is insurance really worth it? The answer is yes, if protects your health, wealth, and loved ones from financial disaster. Don't wait until it's too late. Do you already have insurance or are you planning to get one? Let me know in the comment. Subscribe and watch next. Best health insurance plans in 2025. Life insurance versus health insurance. What's better? Hit the like button if the video helped you and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching this video.